Hello, Professor. This is my presentation on neuroscience and cognitive psychology. So what is neuroscience and cognitive psychology? Neuroscience examines how the brain and nerve system enable mental function. Cognitive psychology concentrates on how humans think, remember, and process information. A neuroscientist would examine whether parts of the brain are active when people make decisions, whereas a cognitive psychologist might investigate how people make their decisions. Despite their differences, these domains sometimes intersect, particularly in cognitive and brain image research. Analytical and critical thinking abilities are necessary for professionals in these fields to plan experiments and evaluate findings. It's also critical to comprehend statistics and research methodologies. While cognitive psychology entails abilities in observation, experimental design, and psychological assessment, neuroscience frequently necessitates technical experts of the brain, imaging instruments like MRI or EEG, because researchers frequently collaborate with the disciplinary teams. Communication and teamwork are particularly crucial. Numerous professions combine cognitive psychology and neuroscience. In laboratories, cognitive neuroscientists may use brain imaging to investigate perception of memory. Neuropsychologists frequently assist patients recovering from strokes or brain injuries in hospitals. To create safer and more effective technologies such as medical devices or airline cockpits, human factors experts apply cognitive principles. These technological advancements like fMRI and AI, which have made it possible to comprehend the brain's functioning more precisely. In the past, behavior observation was the only way psychologists could deduce mental processes. These days, scientists could see brain activity up close thanks to neuroscience technologies. Because of this, jobs in these domains are becoming increasingly interdisciplinary, mixing psychology, computer science, and biology. For instance, cognitive psychologists work alongside AI researchers to investigate how robots might mimic human reasoning, while contemporary neuroscience employ brain imaging and computational models to explain memory. Because it enables us to comprehend how the mind and brain function, research is essential to both cognitive psychology and neuroscience, while imaging techniques like fMRI and EEG reveal whereas of the brain are active. Experiments evaluate theories about thought and behavior. Important insights to memory and emotion have also been gained from case studies, such as well-known people who have suffered brain damage. This continuous research enhances technological design, mental health care, and education. These are the references that help me better my understanding of neuroscience and cognitive psychology. I have my in-text citation in my speaker notes. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you.